Alright, welcome back to Second Chance Shed. Sorry it's been a long time since the last video, but I thought I'd do an update on the ProVent catch can. You can see my Triton here is running. I'm just making sure the oil's warmed up. I've had this installed here, I think, probably for about 3 months at least. I've done about maybe 3,000 kilometers, not many Ks. What we're going to do today, I'm going to see how much oil it's collected, and we'll have a bit of a review of that. So the first thing that I want to do is I just want to loosen the cap. Okay, so you can see a bit of smoke coming out of there. That's good. That means it's nice and warm. Now I can just sort of loosely sit that there. So what I have here is just a little measuring jug. It goes up to about 500 mils. This is the first time for me emptying this, so I don't know how much there's going to be in there, so let's find out. So I'm just going to let that drain for a little while, and then I'll tell you how much was in there. I let it drip for a while, and while I was doing that I had a little look at the kilometers. So I put the catch can on when the car had done 19,000 kilometers. It's now done 22,600. So you're looking at, yeah, 3,600 Ks, and now the oil's settled a bit. It's just a little bit over 50 mils that it's collected. I don't know whether that's a lot or not. I drove the car pretty much just around town. Not much highway work, but yep, you can see it's collected just a bit over 50 mils, maybe 55 mil or something like that of oil. If we look sort of down into the oil, it's very, very, very black. Very dark oil. I'm going to top the oil up in the Triton with the same amount that's actually come out. I think that's probably okay. I'll probably just put 50 mils of oil in, and that's about it. When emptying the oil in the catch can, make sure you do remember to put this back on and make sure it's clicked positively on. Check the fittings are still tight. Seems pretty solid still, and it's good because it doesn't seem to have any leaks. There's no oil over this. And one thing I've noticed since having the catch can on is the engine cover is a lot cleaner. I don't know really if that's directly related to the catch can, but it used to have a lot of oil residue around where the filler is. Now it's quite clean, dry to the touch. So I'm just going to check the oil now. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty dark actually. There might be like just a little... Oh, it's about the right level, but the oil is darker than I thought. Let's see how it goes if I put it back in. Okay, so that gives a pretty good idea. It's up to the little circle. That's probably what we want it to be about. But I'm still going to put 50 ml of oil in there because I'm going to go on a trip soon. That's probably going to use a bit of oil. So I've dumped the oil, and I've got this Castor Edge 5W30. This is what's recommended by Mitsubishi to put back on the Triton. So I'm going to put about 50 mils of this into here, and we'll put it in. Alright, thanks for watching. That was pretty easy and straightforward. It shows that the MANN+HUMMEL catch can is doing its job, and it's keeping the crankcase nice and clean. And I'll see you next time.